This is why you need to understand tree growth. It's like nature's ultimate engineering marvel. From the moment a seed touches the ground, it starts an epic journey. Inside that tiny seed, there's a blueprint for a massive tree. First, it sprouts roots, nature's underground engineers, anchoring the tree and absorbing nutrients. Then comes the stem, pushing upwards, reaching for sunlight. It's like a natural skyscraper, growing taller and stronger each year. Now, how do we know a tree's age? Count its rings. Each ring represents a year of growth, like nature's timeline. But here's the kicker: trees have a survival system. They adapt to their environment, fight off pests, and even communicate through a network of roots. Think of it as the tree's own Wi-Fi. So next time you see a tree, remember, it's not just a plant, it's an engineering masterpiece. Keep exploring, nature lovers.